Hi. The girls on my online mermaid retreat wanted me to do a bathroom audit because we go through all of our bathrooms and different rooms of our houses to look at the ingredients and packaging that we've brought into our homes. And so I thought I would go through the things that I use in my bathroom. I have a brush from high school, still going strong. Sometimes it pops out, I just pop it back in. Works great, made from wood, figures. Here is my face roller. I always roll up. This is natural Botox, just gets the circulation flowing in the face, keeps it nice and shiny and plump, smooths out those wrinkles. Here's some homemade toothpaste. Looks like I'm a little bit low. I'm gonna have to make another batch. Easy recipe, find it everywhere, all over my page. Here is a bamboo toothbrush with partially biodegradable bristles. Until now, all bristles on toothbrushes have been just partially biodegradable. They might claim biodegradable, but that's only true for one brand. So yeah, do your research. This is my body brush. These are my just little metal tools, you know, for just grooming. My moon cup, yay, silicone. My nail brush, wooden. This is a bit of tea tree oil. This is a local organic farm that makes tea tree oil, Olive Gap. They do use plastic on the lid. Unfortunately, some of these essential oils corrode metal and other lids, so we're still trying to figure that out. I'm working with them. Deodorant, I just refilled this jar. Funk-free whipped deodorant was a great one. I refilled this jar with my own mix. Dirty Hippie Cosmetics, I use their makeup. It's plastic-free. Averita, this is my eye balm. It's really yummy. Homemade sunscreen. I also use Sun Butter sunscreen, but I make my own as well. So that's more of like a smooth, spready batch that can be found on my YouTube channel. This is mouthwash. It's just a drop of tea tree and a drop of peppermint in water. Shake it up, squish it around. All right, now let's go to the shower. Okay, welcome. So we've got a few soaps here. This is a soap in a little hemp soap bag, so you can just scrub dub that on your body. This is a face bentonite clay soap bar, a shampoo bar, a body scrubber, the last Palo Santo I'll ever own because it's actually unsustainable to harvest. My leaf shave razor, metal razor, so great. Shampoo that I need to refill, body oil for while I'm showering to moisturize, an empty jar. This is my homemade shampoo and my conditioner, apple cider vinegar. That's it, pretty simple, lots of homemade stuff, just so I can ensure that I'm putting the best of quality ingredients in and on my body. And it's really simple, easy recipes. None of them have more than 3 ingredients except maybe the sunscreen. So I just keep it really simple, and that's healthy for my body and the planet.